I just pushed her away. Right in the middle, right through their abdomens. Oh goodness. Of course I set you up for. Kick him. Get him again. Oh, that was him.
I felt it.
That was him. Someone do something. Look at the little hearts fluttering together.
Yeah.
He's
He looked like
mad.
he
He's
looked
mad
like he
back.
was gonna throw one when he pulled it back.
Let's see if you. Ooh, I need that spine pick. Oh my gosh. She's just like all spread out and like a ballerina.
Oh,
Look at
check
that.
that out.
Aw.
That's her spread all out like that?
Yeah.
She moved.
She did. Threw their heads together.
Oh, sweet. And he must be on the left.
Yes. What is wrong with my dyslexia that I've never had before? There we go. So I want to try when we come back. Look at her. I mean, I'm never going to get her face.
She keeps
So-
looking the other way.
Yeah, she's just on fire. I mean, there's a great looking lip right here. Little milk mustache.
Aww.
But we'll follow up on it again when they get bigger. I don't see a darn thing wrong. She's staring at the back of his head.
Aww.
So they're both kind of heads over here, and they're both going to kick you over here. There's her little cute tush. Okay, my munching tushies have changed. Let me see. I was going to try. It's a beautiful heart picture for B. Just gonna get a better one of her spine. Neither one of them wanted to give up their brain parts that easily. Oh, they haven't even come out yet. They're gonna drive me to have a glass of wine.
Right.
Okay, little guy. Anything else I needed from you? I don't think so. Okay, we are set, guys.